Welcome to ChatGPT Mastery, a deep dive into prompt engineering. Are you ready to revolutionize your ChatGPT skills and unleash the true power of prompt engineering? Get ready for an extraordinary learning experience. I am Jyotirmoy Shah, your instructor for this course. In this cutting edge course, I'll reveal the secrets to crafting highly effective prompts that deliver jaw dropping results with ChatGPT. You will uncover the art and science of prompt engineering, from mastering the nuances of prompt to optimizing them for diverse use cases. But wait, there is more. When you enroll in ChatGPT Mastery, you will gain access to an unparalleled set of exclusive bonuses designed to supercharge your learning journey. First, you will receive a comprehensive ebook on ChatGPT Mastery, brimming with insider tips, best practices, and real-world examples to take your prompt engineering skill to next level and amplify your ChatGPT outputs like never before. But that's not all. You will also unlock a treasure trove of over 500 plus meticulously curated prompt templates. These templates are your ultimate creativity boosters, providing inspiration and ideas for crafting laser-focused prompts for any use case. So say goodbye to writer's block and save precious time with these ready-to-use prompts. And as an extraordinary bonus, you will also learn how to build ChatGPT-powered web apps using popular no-code tool named Bubble. With step-by-step guidance, you will discover how to seamlessly integrate ChatGPT into web application and design dynamic interactive experiences without writing a single line of code. This bonus is a game changer for those seeking to elevate their ChatGPT skills and create their own cutting-edge web apps powered by ChatGPT. So whether you are a content creator, marketer, business owner, or simply curious about the limitless potential of ChatGPT, this course is your golden ticket. Join ChatGPT Mastery today and unlock the full power of prompt engineering along with the treasure trove of 500 plus prompt templates and comprehensive ebook. Don't miss out on the opportunity to skyrocket your ChatGPT skill to new heights. And here is the icing on the cake. With companies actively seeking skilled prompt engineers, this course can be your ticket to a thrilling career in the cutting-edge field. Acquire the in-demand skills you need to land your dream job and join the ranks of in-demand prompt engineers. I can't wait to welcome you inside the course and witness the astounding results you will achieve with ChatGPT. So let's embark on this exhilarating journey together and master the art of prompt engineering. Thank you for joining me in ChatGPT Mastery, a deep dive into prompt engineering. Enroll now and let's unlock the true potential of ChatGPT together. So see you inside the course.